thanks after her sketchy time with Charlie. And Joy is back on with Sam. Who knew? Thankfully, these people are real and anything can happen. The Only Way is Essex, Sunday at 10 on ITV2.
I taught her that just by asking her to lift her foot up. Yeah, and guiding her head round with the food. Just like that.
More talent. So, shall we meet tonight's Billy Acts? Oh, shut up, asking it for Big Brother 1. How many times have I got to tell you? Unbelievable. Ladies and gents, please welcome Jonathan and Charlotte. And Kai! How are we? You know, when I saw you backstage, you said, I really felt nervous. You've done it, guys. So has it sunk in yet? Tell me what's going through your mind.
Still it hasn't sunk in for me. I don't know. I don't know if it ever will sink in. It's just really weird.
Well, do you know what? Let's hear what your fans want to ask you. We've got Sally first of all. Hi, Sally.
Hi, Stephen. Hi, everybody.
Hello, hello. What would you like to ask Jonathan and Charlotte?
Yeah, my question's for Jonathan and Charlotte. You were totally amazing tonight. Blew me away. I was wondering, could you explain how you're feeling right now using an operatic note?
Oh, I like it.
Okay.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for your call. Christopher Hampton, bye-bye. On Twitter, he says, I'm so happy for Jonathan and Charlotte. They truly did deserve to win. Also, Schofield.
You should put a cat on it.
Again. Hi, Phil. He said, Jonathan and Charlotte all the way from the Schofield couch tonight, followed by
Google
Night
it,
and Tiny.
YouTube
So he
it,
predicted
yeah,
absolutely.
react
How
to
are
it.
you down there? I'm feeling good, yeah.